Hi guys, it's Danielle. Sorry I look a little rough. I have my wisdom teeth out. My cheeks are kind of swollen. I'm going to be telling you guys of how to tell the tooth from the left and right side of the maxillary central incisors and the lateral incisors. For our anterior sextant of the maxillary arch, it consists of the canines, which are these, and then our lateral incisors, and then our central incisors, which are number 8 and 9. But today we're only going to be talking about the 8 prominent teeth, which are the maxillary incisors. The maxillary central incisor is the widest of the distal mesodistally of the anterior teeth. The distal side is actually the more rounded side, which here you can kind of tell. Let me bring you those. You look at that. Right here, you can tell is like a little bit more rounded than the mesial side. So with that being said, the central incisors are they are developmental lines that divide the arch into the tooth into 3 surfaces: the distal lobe, central lobe, and the mesial lobe. Mesial is the surface of the tooth between the teeth toward the imaginary line that divides the mouth into the right and left quadrants. As again, if you can see on both of these teeth, you can tell with that one, this is the mesial side and that is the distal side. Okay, and then with the distal, it is the surface of the tooth that is between the teeth farthest away of the median dividing line, which is right here. The maxillary lateral incisors are small in dimensions except for the root length, which here you can kind of tell our roots are a little bit long. And again, with it kind of goes along with the central incisors. You can kind of tell that side is the mesial side and that is the distal. The distal is more rounded. Okay. With these teeth, it varies with these lateral incisors, the form varies between the teeth and the mouth. With these teeth in the incisal ridge, it is rounded. With the rounded angles, mesially and distally, the distal outline is more rounded with the height of the contour more cervical than the mesial outline. The root is about 1.5 times the length of the crown. The linguo-incisal ridge is better developed, and the lingual fossa is the more concave than the central incisor. From that being said, you can kind of just tell that from the lateral and central incisors, both sides are going to have, the distal is going to have more of the rounded side. So you're going to be able to tell with that it's right and left. So looking at your typodont, you're going to be able to look at it and see. I'll put it back in here. Just with these, you can tell that the distal side is more rounded, and then this one is a little bit longer on the mesial side. Okay, and that is how we tell if the tooth is left or right. Thanks.